welcome to John's Mallow Making. Today I've got Eddie Stobart. Oh yes, look at that, Stobart. Eddie Stobart. 127 to 130. Excellent. There we go, there's 127, 128. Yeah, it's that curtain rail we've got. I've not put curtains up for years. And there we have roof joists. There's 10 of these. Yeah, I think there's 10. Yep, looks like there's 10 of them. So it's a lot of screwing. A heck of a lot of screwing. We've done the curtain rail before on the other side. As you can see, there she is, the little beauty. I have done issue 124, so the curtain is already laid flat. But anyway, we'll have a quick look at the magazines, run through the instructions, and then we'll get on the build. So here's 127. So here we have issue 127, top, front, left, side rail. We get these connectors again. There we go. Remember these. You have a sloped edge and a stepped edge. Pop that in between them both. Use lots of DD12 screws. And that is completed work. Excellent. And there's the usual magazine. Cockermouth, real links. Not been Cockermouth for years. And there we go. That is issue 128. So 128. Just connect the two parts. Top, rear, side rails. There we go. Use those connectors again, and that is completed work. Excellent. And then in 29, trailer roof joists. I think this is for the next 3 issues at least. There we go. Trailer roof joists. Yeah. DD12 on the end of the joist, and DD, what is it? DP15, I think, on the inner. Yeah, DP15. Yep. So I think what I might do is play a little bit of music. I'll select some music for you, and you don't get bored. There we go. That's the magazine. 130 is another 5 roof joists. Oh, sorry, 6. I did miscount before. So DP15 and DD12. There we go. And that's how it'll look when we finish today, and then we do get some more in issue 131, and I'd be shocked if we didn't get a floor. I really would be shocked. How can you load anything on the truck if it's not got a floor? Come on. Preston's of Potto. Oh, that sounds well. Steam power, Japanese trucks, and there we go. Trailer roof joist, 5 trailer roof joists and assorted screws. For the next one, 131, excellent. Just 10 more to go after this, guys. Brilliant. Then it's totally finished. Excellent. Let's get on with the build. Let's get the parts out. Okay, there's the parts. There's the connector again. It has a stepped edge, sloped edge. Just make sure you get that on the correct way around. If you put it the wrong way around, it doesn't go like that, you see. Put it that way around, and it lies flat. Lovely jubbly. Right, DD12 screws, we need 2 of these for this. Hold that there. I always use a little bit of oil, it does make the job a lot easier. Just no more 3-in-1 oil. There we go. Now we need to do now, let's make sure we get these the correct way around. Like that, there we go. That's where the roof joists screw into place. There we go, see all the screw holes here. So we get this one together, then we can get on with issue 128. Screw, make sure that is flat. There we go. Excellent. There you can see where the curtain goes, and now you can see where the joists go. Excellent. Let's move on to issue 128. And here we have 128. There we go. 2 connectors this time. These 2, and a lot more DD12 screws. Okay, that will go there, just like that, just like before. Flip that over, and we'll get this into place. Then it's just a matter of flip that round, so we got the curtain side and the roof joist side both exactly the same. otherwise how are you going to fit the curtain or the roof joist? Seems to be a bit of a gap there. Just give me a minute. No, it should be fine. Looks slightly misaligned. There's the other one. That one's exactly the same as well. Thought the gap between these two rails was a little bit more than usual. Anyway, we need it that way around, and we need them two there like so, and then we can pop that into place, which is wrong. So we get this stepped edge there like that. Excellent. So all we need to do now with this is to connect these two together with 4 screws, and then we can pop it onto the trailer, because we'll need the trailer for the next 2 issues. But you know that already. Pop that together, turn that over. We'll need all these screws to connect the other rail up as well. I think I've got a couple left from last time. Right, there we go. There we go. Now we need to fit that onto that little beauty. So I'll get the trailer down. Okay, now we've got the trailer. I'm going to be connecting it on this side. 2 screws here, 2 screws here. I'll try and get it on the camera for you. That's probably the best one. Okay, dokie. Right. Pop that there. Let's get 1 screw in on that end, just for now. Okay, now. Then we've got the front end of the trailer. There we go, that's 1 screw on each side, on each end I should say. Now we'll put the other screws in, and I do need to put 2 more on the other rail as well. And now we'll get the second one in here. There we go. That's a good picture. It's a good angle anyway. You can see the other screw there. Right, I'll flip this round and get the other screws on the other side. Okay, last screw for these curtain rails. There we go. Right, now we've got 129, 130, and obviously we connect all the roof joists along here. So we'll do issue 129 now. Here we have issue 129. There is only 5 roof joists for this, and we use DD12 screws for the curtain rails and DP15 for that central spar. Okay, we have the first 5, so we start at the trailer end, and basically we pop these on here like so. The middle uses DP15 and the ends use DD12. Now there are 2 holes on these rails, so be careful. You want the furthest one out, so you want it basically into the rail itself, otherwise you're going to have problems. It's not going to reach. There we go. And they're all countersunk as well, so we'll get the rails on first, and then once we've done that we can start screwing. And I'll play some music so you don't get too bored. There we go, that's all them in. Now, time to screw away. There we go. So that's the first 5 roof joists in place. Now issue 130, we have 6 more. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, which leaves us 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 for issue 131. So I can bring this along and you can watch with great interest the next 6. Okay, here we have the next 6. I'll get these out and get these in place. There we go. Usual DP 15 and DD12 screws. Okay, that's those 6. They all have different numbers on for some reason. I don't know why. Some have 1 on, one's got a 4 on, one's got a 3 on, one's got a 2 on, but there's nothing listed in the magazine to indicate why they've got numbers. With the mold process, I don't really know. But there you go. You can see how they go on these now. Get them on those outer holes, because otherwise they won't reach. If you put it in the wrong hole, it won't reach on the other side. There we go. So again, DD12 screws. There we go, that's issue 130. So issue 127 to 130 is now complete. Excellent. We didn't get too bored with that. And I hope I picked the right music as well. There we go, you can see all them roof joists now. Looking fantastic. My curtains are in here nice and flat as well as. Well, that's looking brilliant. Go and put it back up on the shelf now, I think. See if I can pick this up and show you. There we go. Excellent stuff. Yeah, brilliant. Pity these trailer doors don't lock properly. But anyway, there we go. It's looking great. I'll pop that onto the shelf now. Well, there we go, guys. That is it. There she is, back on the shelf. You can see all them roof joists. Yeah, excellent. Looks absolutely excellent. Yeah, loving it. 10 more issues to go and it's complete. Brilliant. So what's that? 2.5 more payments. Anyway, there we go. If you did like that, give us a big thumbs up, subscribe, hit that notification bell, and I'll see you soon for another build. I have received the U-96 U-boat Pack 7 today. Excellent. So that'll be up on my channel as soon as. And I've got issues 10 and 11 of the Lancaster Bomber, which will be coming out in the next couple of days. And also I've got what is it, Knight Rider, the next 4 issues of the Knight Rider on the way, and another pack of the for the D'Agostini motorbike, Valentino Rossi motorbike. Nearly forgot what he was then. Which is an absolutely beautiful build. Can't wait to get that finished. Only, how many packs have I got? Can't remember if it's 2 or 3. I think it's 3 packs. Yeah, there was a bit of a delay in getting one of them, so it's moved it on a little bit. I think it'll be finished probably, oh no, March, April, yeah, it'll be May now before it's finished, which is a shame, but anyway, but there we go. So anyway, next month, yes, next 4 issues for the Eddie Stobart is 131, which is more roof joists, so that is that finished. So it's be interesting to see what the next 3 are. Excellent. Thanks for tuning in and watching. Stay safe. Bye for now.